Hey guys, it's Decagon here. Oh god, Decagon here. A game I love, not little, it's amazing! Because basically, my sorry, my friends have given me some reviews on the game. I haven't played it so far game. So yeah, let's continue. Well, let's start. Wait, why is that there? I have no clue why that's there. I might have been one of my friends yesterday, because they came round. Right, Sony Computer Entertainment. Quantic Dream. Presents? Oh, no, okay. Saturday, 11:22 AM. The music is so good. So this chappie here, I believe his name is Ethan. And throughout this game, you get to play as 4 characters, I'm pretty sure. My friend gave me reviews and said it's amazing. Oh my god, this. You're right there, Heath. Try to do it slowly so you control the animation speed. Oh, no. Oh, no. Bonk. Hold R2 to walk. Oh. Okay, so I just... Okay. Okay, let's... Have a look what this is.
Gone shopping.
Oh.
I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then we'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party.
Oh, my son's
Don't
birthday,
work too
okay.
hard. I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Grace. Did that say? Go up. I think that says Grace. Oh, look. Is it, oh, there's a birdie on the R2. Shower.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Yeah, but I want to look at the birdie. Hello, birdie. Oh, lovely little birdie. Okay, so let's get in the shower. Down. Oh, we're gonna see a bit of nudity, are we? Oh. I don't know if I'm allowed to show that, but whatever. Look at that bottom. Oh, okay. So we're doing motion controls then. This game's all about motion controls. Come on. There we are. Where'd you get them from? Oh well. Let's shave, I guess. So apparently I have to do this slowly because I won't cut myself up. I'm pretty sure there are certain times when you have to do things slowly. Sorry, guys. Right, okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. That was just a bit of a detesting. Anyway. Let's brush our teeth then. Do I have to do the motion controls for brushing? Yeah, I do. There we are. And again, okay. Sorry, I'll unplug the controller from charging, because that was making quite a lot of noise. Take a little sippy. You a little detesting. Up. Have a look at myself. I am pretty sexy. Awake.
Nothing like a refreshing shower. I almost feel awake.
Press L1. I don't really want to do that. Switch camera.
I'm as clean as a whistle. Time to get dressed.
I'm as clean as a whistle. A bit of a weird motion. Which one should I pick? Oh, there's only one option. Great. Put on your shoes. Your shoes. Fucking hell. Put on your trousers. Jesus. I said fucking shoes. Sorry for the swearing. Children. Lollipop treacle tarts. Right. We're dressed. Now what? Work.
Got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
Okay. I guess we go downstairs to do work. Probably. There's cars on there. Go down the stairs. Bam. Character's thoughts change on the situation. Remember to check them regularly. Okay. Garden.
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time.
Maybe. Coffee.
I could go for a cup of coffee.
Is this the kitchen? Another weird angle. Oh, yeah, this is the coffee machine. Let's drink us some coffee. Not that was quick, Jesus. Oh, this is the holy one. Oh, that was even quicker. Jesus. Okay. Thirsty, you've just drank.
I'm thirsty. Should be some orange juice in the fridge.
Oh. Orange juice it is. Up. There we are. Look at all that beer. Oh, come on. There we are. Are you gonna drink a shot of the carton? Oh. Oh my god, what a rebel! I hope it's my son, Jesus Christ. I've been getting this wrong the whole time. Oh yeah, because it's Grace and the kids, didn't it, before? Anyway, Grace.
It's almost lunchtime. Grace and the kids will be back any minute.
Oh, that's not good, is it? What's this? Is this a remote control car? Jesus Christ, it is. Ethan, you're a fully grown man. Come on, stop playing with remote control cars. Goody. Good, Ethan. Birthday.
I hope Grace found a present for Jason's birthday.
Let's have a look around here. Is there anything on here? Music.
How about some music?
No. TV.
Maybe there's something on TV.
Maybe.
I could just relax on the couch until Grace and the kids come back.
Is this where I work?
Oof, it's stuffy in here. I should get some fresh air in the garden.
What am I? Am I like an architect or something? Looks like I am because of all the blueprints on the walls and that on the computer screen, and then there was up above. Let's have a look. Wait, what? How did I fail that? Really weird motions, I don't like these. But I suppose there'll be more to come. I do live in a pretty swanky house, don't I? Maybe I am an architect and make a fortune off it, and this is a house that I made. Okay, so these are timed things. I probably won't be able to see very well because it can blend in with the paper. Oh god. Square. Jesus Christ, that was fast, Ethan. Do some more. Oh, this. Hold them until they all disappear. L1 and triangle G. And circle, oh my god. There we are. Hold it again, okay. Square, L1, it's gonna be X. Yeah, it is. Just a wild guess, because we've used all the other buttons. Some more. Come on, Ethan, Jesus. Is there more work to be done after this, Ethan? That looks pretty nice. More work, okay. Oh, come on. Oh, we're doing a bit of shading, okay. Fair enough, Ethan. I thought it was just to say, oh, come on. I'll just finish this. There we are. I'll have a look how much it changed, how drastically it changes. What it looked like before. And then... Bam. Jesus Christ. More! Aha, one. Are we doing our... We're doing a signature? Yeah, we are. Okay.
The plans are coming along nicely. Should be finished by Monday.
That's good, Ethan, if they should be finished by Monday. Just look. Just look at what you've made, Ethan. It's so beautiful. Anyway, let's go. What should we do now? Do you have any more thoughts? Work?
Finished. Now I can relax and seize the day.
That's good, Ethan. What should we do now? Oh, where's the TV? Is this still on the TV? Let's sit down on the television. Sit down on it. Sit down and watch, sorry. Look at that television. Yeah. No. I don't like that, no. Get up, Ethan. Okay, so we've done our work. Is there anything else? No. Not thinking anything anymore. Have the kids, Grace and the kids back yet? No. But look at the little children playing. Oh, so cute. Jeez, all the houses around here are amazing. Yeah. Okay, are they back yet? Even though I've just checked out. Jesus, that door is really weird. The hell? Did you guys see the side of that door? What? Look, it's not fucking attached to anything. How does that work? It's sorcery! Hacker! Ethan's a hacker at life. Sorry I shouted. Can we put on some music? Is there any music anywhere? Is this how we music? No, apparently not. He's still not thinking anything new. What about over here? Is this how we music? What's this? No, that's not how we music, but what's this? Oh. Oh, Ethan! Getting feisty with the grapes. So do we just walk around and wait for them to come back? I guess so. Oh, yeah, we do. Hello, bloke. Oh, look at the door.
Hey,
Fucking weird. Oh, hello.
So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
No, you stupid
10
idiot.
years
Joking.
old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Just a tad.
Ethan, can you please help me?
Yes, of course,
I'm
Grace,
coming.
my lovely child. I mean, wife. Hold on, square, okay. Hold on, X. Oh, little kissy. I love you, Grace. And put them all down. There we are.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket.
Oh my.
How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
Yeah, I finished it all.
I made some pretty good progress.
Oh.
I've just got to work on a few more details, and then I should be ready to present the plans to the
Ugh, I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
Of course.
No problem. Leave it to me.
Leave it to me. Where exactly? Is this it? Yeah, it is. Wow. Oh,
That
broken.
door's always sticking. Give it a big tug.
Big tug. Ah, yeah! No, okay. I thought it was gonna be. Very ferocious.
That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry, I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
Ah ha ha! Diplomatic incident. Oh, oh, Ethan, you feisty person. What happens if I fail it? Nothing. Okay. There we are. Now what? Does she need any more help? Can I talk? Great.
She's more goddamn beautiful with every passing day.
I know. Can oh, feisty.
Ethan.
I don't know if I've already told you this today, Mrs. Mars, but I find you very attractive.
You're not so bad yourself, Mr. Mars.
Oh. Feisty.
I know what's on your mind, Ethan.
Lumpy pumpy.
But now is not the right time for it.
Oh no.
Shame.
Oh, shame.
We've really got to focus on this party. We'll continue this little conversation later.
Oh, feisty. Help.
Can I do anything to help?
No thanks. I should be able to manage.
Okay then. Present.
Did you find the present for Jason?
Yeah, I picked it up from the store this morning. Oh, we were lucky. It was the last one in stock.
Oh, we're so lucky, aren't we? Friends.
When are your friends coming?
Oh, about 2
Oh,
p.m.
that's it.
Oh God, I hope I'll be able to keep the situation under control.
Don't worry,
Not
I'll
last
help.
year.
Baby. Yeah, last year was a fucking disaster. Jesus.
Jason looks
Okay.
happy.
Yeah. It's hard to believe he's 10 years old today. It
I know.
seems like only yesterday we were flirting in high school.
Seems like only yesterday we were having a little rampy pumpy. Oh yeah, look at that bottom. Oh my. Yeah, I know we're getting old. That's not good. Play with kids.
I think I'll go outside and play with the kids.
Yes, I wish to play with them. Is the door open? Yeah, it is. Hello, children.
That's it, I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here soon.
Okay, we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first. No, me first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
I'm gonna let birthday boy go first.
All right, Jason. Let's do the helicopter.
Oh, Sean looks so sad. Oh. That's the wrong way. Oh, no, it's not. This is the right way. Yay! Wee.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Indeed, it is, Sean.
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Oh, okay. Wee. Wee. We're so having so much fun. Oh God. This is so much fun. Wow. Can I put you down now? I'm tired. Jesus. There we are.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Oh yes, I have very big muscles. Come on, children.
Hang on.
Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm so strong. Ah! Oh God. Oh, thank you, children. Thank you. Oh my God, yes. Let's have a fight.
This time you're done for. You're gonna pay for all your crimes, evil.
No.
Ah, surrender, weakling. Say your prayers.
Let's go. Ah, yeah. Get wrecked, you scrub.
Come on, Jason. Hi-ya.
Hey, you're supposed to be on my side, Sean. I'm your father.
Watch out.
Wow. Ooh, you bet your leg hurts now, doesn't it?
Attack, attack.
Oh, that was the wrong button. Ah! Ow! He hurt me.
Yeah, Jason.
Ah, yeah. Oh God, I missed. Oh, oh, Jason, you have so much skills. Ah, yeah, yeah, wah. Yeah. Ah, come on, I can beat you. Evil always prevails. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Hey, you're on my side now, you little snake. Oh well.
Ready, kids? You coming in?
I am coming, babe. Let's go.
Sean? Lunch is ready.
I'll go get him.
I'll go get him. Where could that little D-testing be? Upstairs, maybe. Maybe. Ah, move your bloody balloon. Let's just check upstairs. Dung, 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 dung. Is he here? Yes! Sean, why are you sad?
Sean? What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead.
Not Birdie!
So much.
Oh my god, not the Birdie!
It's not your fault.
It's not your fault, Sean.
I gave him
The bird
he
dead.
could come back to life.
Ugh, I don't care.
No,
It's
Sean.
bird.
There's some things which just have to happen,
Yes, there are, Sean.
even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair. It's not fair.
I know it's not fair, Sean, but it's a thing called life.
I know.
Deal with it.
I know.
Oh, it's dead on the floor. That's not sad. I mean, that is sad. Jesus, did I say that's not sad? I'm quite a badonkel, aren't I? Okay. Now we're outside, okay. Where are we going? Oh. Look at our little children, Grace. They're being so happy. Oh, we're at a town centre, okay. Why is the music like this? This music is amazing, I love it. Oh my god, it's a clown! Whee!
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise you won't be gone.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
No, we're not. He poked me, you little poker. You poker person. Hello, lady. I think your AI just fucked up. Anyway, yes. Sean. I mean, Jason. Jason, what?
Jason!
Jason, is that you? Jason, come on. Stop walking into random people.
Jason!
Jason, come on.
Jason!
Jason.
Jason!
Jason.
Jason!
Jason. He uses the same thing.
Jason!
Jason! Jason, I'm right behind you!
Jason!
Why can't I just walk a bit faster?
Jason!
Come on.
Jason!
Walk a bit faster,
Jason.
Ethan. I'm right behind him.
Jason!
I'm in the back of him. Jason, what are you doing? You silly boy. Oh god, he's going to the clown. Please don't molest my child, clown.
Jason, you really shouldn't run her off like that, you know?
You silly boy.
A lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad.
A balloon?
come
Okay.
on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Great.
Come on.
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
Here you go.
Please don't molest my child. Ah, he's just a nice clown.
That'll be $2, sir.
Jason,
Uh,
wait for me. Wait for your dad, son.
Wait, Jason.
It's really crowded in here.
Jason, wait. Right. Wait, is there multiple options? Jason! What are you doing, you boy? Up.
Keep the change.
There we are. Jason, what? Oh, God, no.
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd.
Shut up, Jason's missing.
Jason,
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and he just disappeared.
Oh, my God. Come on, Ethan, go find him.
what do you mean disappeared?
What do you think I mean, disappeared?
I'll go get
I mean, he fucking ran away. Come on. Go, Ethan.
Jason!
Jason, come on. Where are you, you
Jason!
little dick? Shut up, Superman.
Jason! Jason!
Come on, where's Jason? Move!
Jason!
My son's disappeared, move! Can...
Jason!
Shut up, woman. You look bald for a minute. Or you're blonde. Move. Where's my son? Oh, is that his balloon over there? I hope it was. Please don't. I don't want to lose. There he is. Balloon. Jason, come hither, my child. Move out of the way, you... Can you not tell I'm looking for my son, you stupid dick? Move out the way! Oh, thank God he stopped. Jesus. Wait, what the fuck is blue? Hey! Jason, please. If he's let go of his balloon, we don't know where the hell he is. Where the fuck is he gone? Balloon! That is Jason. Move! Can you not tell I'm going for my son, you dick donkeys? Move up the fucking way! Jason, come here, my son! Move, you donkeys! Why are they not moving? Move! Shouting in his face. Jason! That wasn't Jason now. Oh, God. There he is. Please say that's actually him. I think it is. Jason! Move, you... Move! Move, you stupid bitch! My son! Can you not tell I'm looking for my son? Move! Move, you... What? Oh God, where's he gone? Is he safe across the road? Please say he's safe. Oh, why is the music like this? Oh. Please don't say he's gonna get ran over. Please. There he is, Jason! Oh my God. Thank God you're safe. Right, stay over there. Stay over there. I'll come to you. I'll come to... No, Jason! Oh. Oh my God, no. Don't do it. No. Oh my... Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at Sean. And there's his balloon. Floating off into space. Right, okay. Yeah. Well, shit. God, oh God, that was... No, why did that have to happen? That was not nice at all, oh God. I don't really know how to react to that. I don't really know how to react to a child getting killed. But... Anyway... Sorry guys, Jesus, that was a bit of a sad ending to the first episode, but... Yes. This has been Heavy Rain episode 1. If you did enjoy, please like and comment. Yeah, please like and comment and subscribe for more videos like these, playthroughs, random games, and just all around awesomeness. So, yeah, see you later guys. Peace.